Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best white party decor is probably one of the most versatile and elegant choices you can make to transform any gathering into a sophisticated and memorable event, offering a blank canvas for creativity whether you're planning a chic wedding reception, a minimalist birthday celebration, or a serene baby shower, ensuring your venue radiates a clean, fresh, and utterly stylish ambience that guests will adore. Number 5. JMEXSUSS 600 LED Curtain Lights. These curtain lights offer ultra-wide coverage with 600 premium LEDs, instantly elevating any space. They cast a warm, soft glow, perfect for large windows, walls, and patios, adding an eye-catching touch to your home or events. Take full control of your decor with the included multifunctional remote. It offers 8 versatile lighting modes and 4 brightness levels to match any mood. You can easily set the 6H on 18H off auto timer, eliminating the need for manual operation. Operate them comfortably from anywhere in the room without repeatedly plugging or unplugging. Safety is a top priority with their UL-certified low-voltage design, ensuring stable operation without overheating. Installation is hassle-free with included cable ties. Simply hang them up and unbundle the strings. Built with IP44 waterproof protection, these lights are resistant to rain and snow, making them perfect for both outdoor patios and indoor spaces. The long power cord provides flexible installation options. Crafted with high-quality LEDs and durable plastic-covered strings, they are far more robust than traditional fairy lights. Their energy-saving LED design uses less electricity, saving you money on utility bills. These lights are perfect for birthdays, holidays, and everyday decor, effortlessly enhancing any room or feature wall. Their soft, warm glow complements any style, making them suitable for year-round use. What we like? These curtain lights offer an impressive ultra-wide coverage, perfect for transforming large spaces. With 29.5 feet of expansive lighting, they create a stunning visual impact for any event. If you're looking to dramatically illuminate a large wall, window, or backdrop for a wedding or big party, this is your ideal choice. What people say. Number 4. Prestee White and Gold Disposable Tablecloths. Elevate your party decor effortlessly with this disposable tablecloth set. They add a touch of style to any celebration, perfect for engagement parties, weddings, and birthdays. Featuring a chic white and gold design, these are incredibly versatile. They are ideal for first communions, anniversaries, graduations, and various engagement party decorations. Crafted from premium plastic, each one is waterproof and stain-resistant. This makes them perfect for both indoor and outdoor events, including lively BBQs and picnics. Measuring 54 by 108 inches, they completely cover 8-foot rectangular tables. These are great for graduations, holiday gatherings, and themed parties, ensuring full coverage. Enjoy quick and easy after-party cleaning with these disposable options. Simply toss them out after use, saving you valuable time and effort. What we like? These tablecloths combine elegance with ultimate convenience. Their disposable design ensures a quick and effortless cleanup after your event. If you want a stylish party setup without the hassle of post-party laundry, these are perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. PartyWoo White Balloon Arch Kit. Elevate your party decor with this comprehensive kit. It includes 140 pieces in various sizes, perfect for creating stunning balloon arches and garlands. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay full longer. They ensure your decorations remain perfect from setup to the end of your celebration. These balloons feature standard necks for quick inflation, and when filled with air, they stay full for up to 72 hours. They are easy to set up, bringing joy to any event. Remember not to overfill them and avoid excessive heat or sharp objects. Controlling the air amount helps you achieve your desired balloon size for a flawless display. Whether it's a wedding, baby shower, birthday, or graduation, these white balloons are ideal. They make any event more memorable and beautiful. What we like? This balloon kit provides a generous 140 pieces in various sizes, ideal for creative displays. The different dimensions allow you to craft stunning and professional-looking balloon arches or garlands. If you're planning to build an impressive, multi-dimensional balloon arch for a baby shower or wedding, this comprehensive set has everything you need. What people say. Number 2. 3-pack silver tinsel foil fringe curtains. Crafted from 23 micrometers thick in PET film, these curtains are non-toxic and non-fading. They are safe for families with children and pets, ensuring peace of mind for your event. Each package contains 3 silver backdrop curtains, with each measuring 3.3 by 6.6 feet. This ample length is perfect for creating impressive decorations on doors or walls. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the double-sided adhesive and stick them to a smooth surface. A quick 5-second press ensures they stay put for your entire celebration. These tinsel backdrop curtains are ideal for a wide range of party themes, from disco and 90s to iridescent celebrations. They will make your event brilliant and truly memorable. Perfect for bachelorette parties, New Year's Eve 2025, or any disco-themed gathering. They add a festive touch to any special occasion. What we like. These fringe curtains are made from a thick 23 micrometers PET film, ensuring superior durability and a richer shimmer. This robust material prevents easy tearing and creates a more vibrant, eye-catching backdrop. If you need a high-quality, long-lasting backdrop that truly stands out for a disco or New Year's party, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. THARAHT White Ostrich Feathers. These beautiful feathers come in a perfect quantity for all your decorating needs. They offer an affordable way to add elegance to any special event or your home. Sourced ethically, these are 100% genuine natural ostrich plumes. They are collected after natural shedding and professionally prepared for your safety and hygiene. They are perfect for a wide range of occasions, from weddings to holiday crafts. These offer a versatile and elegant choice for any DIY centerpiece. Whether you're planning a wedding or hosting a party, they help create a stylish atmosphere. These luxurious feathers ensure your event is truly unforgettable. Caring for them is easy. Simply dust or gently brush them, and store them properly to maintain their beauty. For a deeper clean, they can be washed and air-dried. THARAHT is committed to providing the best quality products. We also offer perfect after-sales service, ensuring you a worry-free purchase and distinguished experience. What we like. These natural ostrich feathers are ethically sourced and professionally cleaned, ensuring both beauty and peace of mind. Their genuine plumes add a touch of sophisticated elegance to any craft or decoration. If you're looking for versatile, high-quality, and ethically produced natural elements to elevate your wedding centerpieces or party decor, these are perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.